Since 2004, Norse Environmental Waste Services has processed over 500,000 tonnes of mixed recyclables, including card, newspaper, plastic bottles and steel and aluminium cans and aerosols. But for our environment, it's vital that we all increase the amount we recycle and reduce the amount of waste we send to landfill. All Norfolk's local authorities have taken up this challenge by forming a long-term joint venture with Norse to ensure the county is at the forefront of waste recycling. At its premises on the outskirts of Norwich, Norse has extended its existing facility to handle the wider range of materials that Norfolk's residents are now able to separate for recycling. In addition to all the items and material householders could previously put into their recycling bin, they can now include glass bottles and jars, food pots, tubs, trays and cartons. It's important that food and drinks containers are cleaned out to avoid contamination and that only recyclable items are put in the bin. So what happens to all our recyclable waste? Mixed material from household recyclable waste collections is first fed into a separation system via conveyor. Any non-recyclables collected from recycling bins can only be removed by hand, a labour-intensive and unnecessary job, which is why it's important not to place non-recyclable material in recycling bins. Recyclable material then begins to be sorted automatically via advanced new technology. First, cardboard is removed and conveyed directly into a baler ready for transport off-site. The remaining materials, glass, mixed paper and containers fall through this first screen to be separated into their own waste streams. Glass is broken up and transferred to a clean-up system where any remaining contaminants are removed. Meanwhile, mixed paper and plastic and metal containers continue into another part of the process. The mixed paper element is further separated into general mixed paper and high-quality newspaper and magazines. This material is not baled but kept loose for loading into lorries and transportation to a paper mill, where it's recycled back into newsprint. Containers are discharged onto conveyors to be taken to a metal and plastic segregation area. Here, steel and aluminium cans are removed and checked in a final quality control area before being baled. The remaining plastic containers are sorted into a range of different materials, such as plastic drink bottles, milk bottles, and mixed plastic. All these streams also pass through final quality controls and then to balers. From this highly automated series of processes, the resulting recyclable items are ready to be supplied to manufacturers as clean raw materials. With your help in recycling the appropriate and cleaned items, the forward-thinking approach by the county's councils and investment from Norse will help safeguard Norfolk's environment.